Welcome everybody, we're having another 360 adventure at Disney World at Summer Winterland Miniature Golf with the family. Here are some family rules. Winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if a hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. And then there's a couple other rules, but we're not going to talk about that. The score so far. Now let's get into it. Who's first? Uh-oh.
You hit me. Come on, Lee, you can do it.
Gotta hit this one hard. Everybody's on the same page.
Is she gonna make it right up to us?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Hit me. Oh, that is one.
It bounced off of Sandy.
It would have come up there.
And then it bounced off of Sandy's shoe.
Bounced off of Sandy's shoe. Oh, that was awesome.
Baby.
Well done,
Hang on, guys. The rules are the furthest person shoots first. If you're within 1 foot of the pole, then you can put it in. And if they're too close to each other, too close to
Move it round. Just don't move it any closer to the hole. So which one of us is further? I think
I would say Amy is the furthest away.
so I'm guessing, well, because she's so far, because she's in front, can you go first?
Sure, winner.
Okay, so you go first.
All right, can anybody beat a 2? Can anybody beat a 2?
No.
No. Can anybody tie a 2?
Okay.
Next. Please.
Yeah, just move it over these so no one's in your way. Once you're not moving it closer to the hole, doesn't matter. That's good.
Good?
All right, can she get us in for a tie? Is that a good bounce? Is that a good bounce? Come on back.
There, come there, come there, come there, come there. Nicely done.
Nicely
Okay,
well played. Can Sandy put this in for 2? Yay! Okay.
Oh, come on, you mind your way, Jake.
Hey, if Jake puts you in, you win the hole.
Right.
Ooh, 3 for you. Nice shot.
Don't fall.
Oh, all the way around.
Okay, so no winners on this
No winners on this hole. We gotta wait till the next one to see who gets a point.
Yeah.